Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add hyperlink on image for your WordPress website. Firstly, I will guide for Gutenberg Block Editor. After that, Classic Editor. Right now, I am on my website dashboard. I am going to All Post section. After that, I am going to open this post in Gutenberg Block Editor. Now, I want to add hyperlink on this image. For this, I am going to copy my website homepage URL and I'm clicking on this image. After clicking the image, you will get this toolbar in Gutenberg Block Editor. So in this toolbar, you will get this icon. So click on that icon and paste your link here. After pasting, there has a right side arrow icon. Click on that icon. If you want to open in a new tab after clicking that link, then enable this option and after that click on apply. So your image hyperlinking is done. I'm going to save this post, view post. You see, when I'm hovering this image, then it's showing that it's hyperlinked. And if I click, this link is going to open in a new tab. So it's working perfectly. Now I will show you how you can do the same task for Classic Editor. So I'm going to open the same post in Classic Editor. And if I click on this visual section here, then I'm getting this image here. After clicking the image, you will get a top toolbar like this. And here you will get a pencil icon. So click on that pencil icon. After clicking the pencil icon, you will get the same interface. So here is the below, you will get link to this option. So click here and here you should select custom URL. After that, you can paste your link, whatever you want to make link. And click on this update and update the post, view post. You see, it's already hyperlinked. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.